on, you guys. I just realized, hold on. I'll slide in on the next one. I just realized my new little mic that I got, I forgot about plugging it in, which is gonna make sliding even harder. So give me 1 second, guys. Hey guys, and welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. This is gonna look a little weird at the moment. I don't know how loud I have to talk because I am using a new little microphone. I'm excited about it because it should mean that the voice quality and everything should go up. It is from Wish and I paid $2 for it, so it also could be complete trash, but we'll find out. Anyways, guys, I hope you are having a fantastic day. I don't know why I want to do like finger guns going on there, but we'll go with it. Anyways, guys, it's kind of late. That's why my room looks a little dark back here. But today we are going to be doing another monthly art trade. I usually try and do quite a few of these. If you're an artist and you actually want to do trades on DeviantArt, I follow, I believe it's the ACO monthly trade. I'll put a link to it down below. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I'll put a link to the group below. If you're on DeviantArt, it's a really great place to be because you get paired up to do different trades every month, and they are ACOs, so they're a smaller art card. They're not something really big and massive to do, but it's something fun. And it helps you grow and it helps you keep doing collaborations, which is a really important thing to do as an artist. It helps you become better. It helps you make new friendships that you might not have had otherwise. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, I'm going to head over to my desk, but before I do, I realized that something I wanted to show you guys was I like to give, I don't know, when I notice something, I realized I should give you guys some more tips and things that I know. But for ACO cards, what I like to do, because I do send them to anyone I trade with, as long as they want to send a trade, even if they don't send it to me, I send mine to them. But the one that I do is, in case you are doing these, usually if you cut them out, they are around a baseball card size. And when you do that, you can actually go and get baseball card holders. I have a really nice one here. I have a whole bunch of them. I used to be really into Pokemon and Belisara. Is that? Yeah, Belisara. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a Belisara episode where I try and paint something of my own that's like inspired by Belisara, because I don't know if anyone else remembers those cards, but like those were my favorite. They were some of my favorite. I keep forgetting that I actually have a voice thing on, so I don't have to talk as loud, so I'm sure the audio is gonna just spike right up there. Sorry guys, it will be a little bit touch and go because this is a new thing that I'm trying and doing. But with that said, let us head over to my desk, and yeah, if you guys ever need a holder for your ACO cards, head over to like your local Walmart or Target. Most likely Walmart. They usually have these little card holders, and this is a really thick plastic. I'm trying to see where I can get it. It's a pretty thick plastic holder. The other ones I have are sleeves that are a little bit thinner plastic, but they still work really well and they help protect the art card to send to other people, or if you want to get them for the art cards that you own. Anyways, guys, with all of that said, I just hit the door. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Tell your friends about our art sprite community and get them involved so that we can kind of grow our little patch of the world over here. Anyways, guys, let's head over. So with this card, I did actually have up above me or next to me my phone, so I could be able to see a lion. I honestly grew up drawing a lot of wolves, and so doing lions, I love big cats, I just haven't done a whole bunch of them. And so that's why with doing this art card, I kind of had to use some reference, which is always good. If you're doing art, if you need reference, that's never a bad thing, that just means you want to get better. And I just, you know, for the background, I kind of just went with like a Savannah feel. It kind of reminded me, for anyone who's ever played it, of Feral Heart. That was one thing growing up that was so much fun. Still around if you're interested in it, but that was like one of my all-time favorite things to do, and I kind of used that as inspiration for the background in it. That was kind of more of that fun Savannah feel with the drifting clouds, and I don't know, just something quintessential for what you'd expect for a lion, you know, just on the Savannah. But with this, I did just use my normal watercolor set. I used my pencil and my jelly roll and my favorite Japanese illustration pen,
And as always, I always like having fun with these art cards. I do one every month over on DeviantArt, and it's always fun to be able to trade with other people and see what they do with your characters and what you do with theirs.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Here is the card a little bit closer up so you guys can see it. I had so much fun doing this. I don't usually get to do big cats, and so doing this lion was really fun. I was originally going to do another wolf character, but I actually draw wolves a lot, or at least I like doodling them, and I've studied them very heavily, but big cats I have not studied as much, and so it was really fun to work on this and be able to do something that was a little different, not really out of my comfort zone, but just something that I like doing. Anyways, guys, with that said, be sure to check out my trade partner's awesome card. I will have it down below as well as their art. If you want to check out any more videos, I'll have them over here. And if you'd like to subscribe, I will have that right over here. With that said, guys, stay inspired, stay incredible, and remember that you are amazing. Have a great day. Bye, guys.